How to get someone to fall in love with you using dark psychology. Before watching this video, you have to promise me that you will use these techniques with caution, because these manipulation techniques are extremely toxic and dangerous if used in the wrong way. 1. The white knight method works by gaining someone's trust by solving someone's problems, while being unnoticed as the cause of those problems. For example, you manipulate a group of people to bully the victim by telling something embarrassing about the victim to the bullies. Then you emerge as the heroic white knight and save the victim by standing up for the victim and stopping the bullying. This will make the victim obsessed with you and make them feel like they owe something to you. 2. Push and pull works by creating a consistent pattern of giving pleasure and attention to the target. Do this so long that the target expects the attention. Then stop giving them attention, become cold, and don't look into their eyes. Humans are really good at noticing pattern interruptions, and when you break the pattern, they will become insecure. They will crave your attention, and they will chase you. They will feel heartbroken and feel like you are the only person that can make them happy again. After a little bit of time, start giving them attention again. This will make them fall in love with you. They have formed an attachment to you from the pain you have caused them. Because of that, they will hold on to you tightly and fear losing you.